Finally found some shade. Oh, a lot of bait. There you go. So this last full day here in Raiatea is pretty cool. A lot of sightseeing. We'll be heading down. You know, see some of the sights. I want to say what they mentioned was the crater of the island, because you know, like all the other islands, stems from being a volcano. So we'll check that out. Some of the plantations, even the botanical gardens. I don't know if y'all can hear me over this wind, but we're gonna be checking out some cool stuff. And then we're gonna hop in a canoe, ride it through the river system, hear some stories, some of the legends of the island in French Polynesia. And just heard that we're gonna be sitting down having lunch with, I guess he's equivalent to like the governor and his council that made this whole trip happen. Horinetia Adventures. So our friend Moinao, her and her husband Steve hooked it up. They collaborated with the council here to make all of this stuff happen. So we're gonna go check all that stuff out. Let's see it. So we're going up there today, y'all. Hey. Show my good side. You good, bro?
My workout for the whole week.
Oh, guys, the elevator's over there.
Bro. How's she going so fast with little short legs? So we got camera 1, camera 2. Camera 1, camera 2. Gee. You good, babe? Hey, hey.
I'm fine.
Oh. Oh, this guy's not even puffing. What happened? Oh, we went up? Sorry. Sorry.
We went down.
Next one.
Nice.
Over there.
Oh, yeah, nah.
And she cut her hand, put in the soil, and then she let her die. And then from her hand came out this beautiful flower named Apitahi. It's when it opened this flower, it's like the fingers, only one side. But you find this flower only over there. It still exists right now, but the problem that is when you go to that mountain, all around the plants, there's only 5 plants left. All around there's a fence, so we cannot see closer. We have to see from the fence. Because a lot of people took the roots of that plant to grow to their house, but it didn't grow. It grows only on that mountain. Why, we don't know.
technology. And then what does it mean today? It's not the same how to puna. This is a challenge today how to puna. Because don't forget, kita may kataon to puna. They're very connected. This. Feno. Mata ati to puna. Feno. The Thai ocean. Terai. Sky. The Batay. Wind. The Onui. Universe. Or to puna connect with that. We know like this. That's why they're different than us. Beautiful. That's why the challenge to try to reconnect again to this. I learned to have this from my grandmother. How we talk to the nature. Terbaik waktu. Tupu tefenu. Wara tefenu. Tupu tetaye. Wara tetai. Tetai wa tu. Tupu teraye. Maya terai tua teni terai. Come on. Teraye waktu. Tupu tera. Wara teraye waktu.
Rina, maruru mai te tato mo mathai po ti tai me te ne mhana. Te vira mai te rato ki tua whare, te hina tora wa whaha mono. Ta mo mathai po te veisho mai tato. Roto i te na tau mathai te veisho mai tato i te mhana.
On behalf of the governor, for all the Uimataya posts that gathered here today, and the one who passed away, he didn't attend today. We greet you and honor for this day.
Mostly tattoo design that reminiscent of her children and family, giving them protection.
Do not hesitate to ask a question. We will be happy to answer. Please don't forget that we are still learning English.
Yorana, nous sommes des élèves de la première métier de l'accueil et c'est nous qui avons fait ce travail qui est juste ici. Voilà. Merci.
Man, talk about a great way to end our last full day. I mean, not only that. Whoa, killer bees. Not only that out there, beautiful scenery, but that impromptu visit with the school. Man, you know, again, just being able to share different cultures, talking through the language barrier and growing a common understanding between everybody. that was a great way, you know. Surprisingly, I mean, for these young folks to say they're just now learning English or their English is not so good, they speak it better than some of the folks in the States. So yeah, many thanks, you know, to everybody that had a hand in making this visit happen. Tomorrow morning, last minute shopping for the girls, spend all our money again, and then checking out of the hotel, flying back. When we continue our journey, we'll be back on the main island of Tahiti, and a few more days of that stuff. So one last look at the lodge here. Yeah, this was a beautiful place, you know, all the reef right outside, clear water, even found a barracuda, and enjoying some time by the pool, some drinks. One thing I didn't capture a lot of footage of was the food trucks. You know, they call them the roulettes here, but it ain't nothing like the food trucks in the States. It's so much better. But that's it for this portion, y'all. More videos to come. If you like what you see, jam that subscribe button right there. Check out the other Tahiti videos and French Polynesia right there. As always, thanks for stopping through. Till next time, peace.